Not you as well. Tell me it ain't you as well,
Hey,
you
hey,
Slavic
hey!
fuck!
What are you talking about?
Speak, you bulking piece of shit! I'm done with you, done with everyone. I'll go, but I ain't going quietly!
Mr. Pegorino, I don't know what you're talking about. I came as quickly as I could.
Fucking Anthony!
What about Anthony?
He was wearing a fucking wire!
That is a problem.
My personal bodyguard wearing a wire! I raised that kid like he was my own! I beat him like he was my own son! When my son killed himself, Anthony became my son. Now this! The world is a cunt!
Where is Anthony?
I heard he's wearing a wire, so I freak out. I call him up. He's such a moron, he leaves his cell phone on. So we speak. After he's gone states, of course. I mean, Jesus. What a chump! He freaks out on the phone, and I put the fear of God in him. I think maybe I've talked him out of it. Then, he has a goddamn heart attack on the phone. I'm thinking problem solved. He's dying right in front of my ears. But the asshole lived, and now he's in the Leftwood Hospital under heavy guard!
Okay, okay.
Of course he's got you on the fucking tape, too!
Of course.
So you'll do this for me.
So you want me to talk to him?
I want you to whack him! And after that, I want you to kill all the other rats I surround myself with!
Okay, okay, don't worry.
Hey guys, what's going on? Kasam Sensei here, bring you some more Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions gameplay. This is the mission called Flatline. Of course, what you saw in the cutscene, that just underlined this whole mission basically. Anthony's in hospital. Obviously he's a threat to you guys because he's got to speak out or this and that because he was wearing a wire all this time. So all you have to do is just head over to the hospital and just kill him while he's in the hospital. So of course now you heard that he was under heavy guard. So how would you tackle this? So of course you enter the hospital. Don't draw any weapons. Obviously that would attract attention. So just what you do is just go towards this counter. Or should I say just opposite this counter. There's this locker room you could enter into. Just over there. And then you just change your clothes into the doctor scrub. So you will stay undercover.
Have a good night, Dr. Rosen.
Okay, so now that you've done that, now you could enter, just enter deep inside to the hospital to find the room that Anthony's in. And then you could kill him. So I'm just trying to look. No, that's not him. I see these heavily guarded. These two police.
I need a little doctor-patient confidentiality.
You can have 1 minute.
Okay. There you go. So you get the police. There's guys out. There's Anthony right there. So what you gonna do?
Boss? Peg, is that you? I'm sorry.
Oh well. You got taken out with a shotgun in the head. So of course this will attract attention and the police will be onto you already.
Let's get some cover.
And you'll be getting 3 stars as soon as you kill the first police officer. So of course I'll just hang out in here until the police come to me.
Oh shit! Police, get down!
There he is. And another one. I know there's another guy just hiding there.
You should not have fucked with me!
Okay, so now just trying to get out of here as soon as possible. Of course there'll be more guys, more police guys will be coming in. But never mind. It's just more like if I see them, just kill them really. The entrance is just around the corner. Whoops, wrong guy. It's this guy. And that's it. Just get out of here. Just get out of the hospital and just lose the wanted level. Now, you can see the paint spray as soon as you get. Also, you can see it on the map. So all you do is just drive straight. Don't follow the road. Just head over to this barrier, just to jump over to this side of the road, and then just enter the paint and spray. Now, if you do this quickly and swiftly enough, the police won't see you get inside the paint spray. So you could just finish the mission, just like that. So once you complete it, you get a cool 13 grand. And that's how you complete this mission with ease. I'm SenpaiGaming. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm out. Peace.
I don't think you will be seeing Anthony on the witness stand.
I better not be seeing you up there neither. Or anybody else I know for that matter. These fucking feds turning everybody into rats. See you around, you go.